How to cancel your Tinder Plus subscription step by step. The very first thing you want to do is simply open your Tinder on your mobile and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you make sure you're logged into your account, you can simply tap on your profile icon on the very bottom right corner of your screen where you'll be able to get into settings. Tap on that settings, then you'll be able to scroll all the way down until you see payment account. Once you do that, you'll need to tap on it, and then from there you'll be able to simply scroll down until you see manage payment account. Once you tap on manage payment account, you'll be able to see the option cancel subscription. Tap on it and you'll be able to successfully cancel your Tinder Plus subscription like that. So here you need to know that if you have purchased it via your Apple Store or your Google Play Store, then you'll need to get into your phone settings and get to your Apple or Google ID. Then you can get into the subscription. There you can get to Tinder and cancel your subscription if you have done it through any of those platforms. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.